bearing the load with each heavy lift, raising to reach new heights, building the present and a green and better tomorrow. Today, we stand at the forefront of the times again, writing a new chapter for new energy construction machinery, while strengthening its position as the leader in Chinese heavy-duty and telehandler forklifts. We continue investing in R&D for new energy construction machinery. Through collaborations with prestigious universities and institutes in China, we have achieved significant results in advanced new energy technologies. Demand-driven and innovation-focused, this is what gives us wings. Our products cover heavy-duty forklift series, telehandler series, new energy series, customized series. Our full range of products are certified by authoritative domestic and international institutions, ensuring reliable and leading product quality. With an international supply chain and global marketing network, we have over 30 dealers worldwide with products in more than 40 countries and rapidly expanding. Our active and keen business activities expand our global brand awareness and market share. No matter where users are located, our after-sales service team can promptly respond to after-sales and technical training needs. We also establish parts centers domestically and abroad to ensure users can timely acquire needed parts. Looking ahead, our goal is to become an outstanding global market leader, providing high-quality products and solutions worldwide by combining local advantages and global perspectives. We will build a more interconnected and prosperous business network, making SOCMA a respected international brand.
We are SOCMA.
We are SOCMA. We are SOCMA.
We are SOCMA.
We are SOCMA.
We are SOCMA. We are SOCMA.
We are SOCMA.
We are SOCMA.